only for you, man. And at this moment, we are staying in mango garden. It's a nice garden. Look at the garden, please, Mr. Kausar. Just view the viewers. It's a very nice garden, and the environment is tremendous. The blowing, the air is blowing. The mango is just hang up. I just want to touch one mango. It's a really tremendous scenery. We can't explain. It's just a feeling. It's a tremendous feeling. Look at the freshness of that mango. Come here, man. Look at the freshness. Just close it, Mr. Kausar. Just close it. Look at the freshness. The whole mango is green. There's no spot. It's the real mango. It's the real mango. There's no chemical. There's no extra try to change the real color or real size of this mango. It's a really tremendous and inspirable thing. All know that we are not businessmen. We are students. But in this crisis period of the world, we come to here for only serve the people. Because in this crisis, we all know what is the crisis. The crisis name is coronavirus, and there's no medicine, there's no vaccine. That means we need to develop our body immunity system. How can we do it? Mango is one of the solution that, because it's a very delicious food, it's a highly potential food, and it's a tasty food, and it also develop your immunity system. If you take the proper or real mango, that means the mango which is not mixed with any kind of chemicals, I don't mention any chemicals name, any kind of chemical which is harmful for this mango, and at the result of that mango is harmful for our body. But we want to develop immunity system, that's why we need to take real mango. And real mango, there is some mango on the soil. Just look at the name of that mango is Kisha. In Bengali name is Himsagor. All the Bengali people know that, and I just explain it for the other countries people, because this food need all about the peoples. The name of that mango is Himsagor or Kishapat. Look at the size. It's a little bit circle. It's a little bit circle, not really circle, but it's a nice mango. It's a backside and it's a front side. This mango, there's no spot. It's a very important thing. When it mixed with any kind of chemical, there's a little bit black shadow or black point or pimple sizes of color black shape, but it's totally green. There's no spot. That's it's a proof that it's a real mango. There's no mixed up any chemical. There's also a jar or basket here. There's you can see there's also numerous number of mango. We just processing it. Look at that. There's a three bucket, and we just full it by mango. Just look at. I want to see it for the viewers. Look at. It's a total full of mango, and there is no chemical. Just look at the color. Just look at the color. It's a really very appreciable thing. Just need to your support and your inspiration, because a lots of young guy or youth people try to do something good for the people, not only Bangladeshi people, all about the people. Because at this moment we think the world, we not only think the society, we not only the nationality, we just think that world. Because you know that at this moment in this current world, the whole world is a global village. That's why we need to think it globally. And at this moment we just produce mango in Bangladesh, but we are processing in numerous of country in Europe, Germany, France, Italy. Already we connected some of those countries, and processing spot is Spain, Portugal, Hungary, Sweden, etc. And North and South American country also connect with us. We have some buyers who lives in Canada, America, Argentina, Brazil. At this moment Brazil need it very much, because you know that Brazil is highly affected by this virus. And also some country like Colombia, Peru, they also connect with us. That's why we try to develop and shipment process just inspire us. I always try to help by inspiring and just energetic way. You don't need to give us a lots of money, just need inspiration, your support. That's all of, because each and every Bengali people has a big heart. they are not very much highly sound in economical way, but they have a very big heart, and that's why the whole world people say Bangladeshi people are big hearted people. And our initiative is look like that. We have not much money, but we have big heart, that's why we take that kind of initiative. So once again I want to say, please support us, please support us, please pray for us. We just want to do something which is good. Thank you so much. We will be join again another content. Stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.